First of all, many congratulations to Bloggers Alliance on successfully completing 2 years of operation. Congratulations. So, if you would ask me to define whole experience with Bloggers Alliance in just one word, I would say it was enriching, very enriching. Enriching because the environment in which I was working, it was very open to creativity. Like, you could create new things, you could be very creative out of your mind, out of the works, out of everything, with the every step which you are taking to complete your own project or task which is given to you. Secondly, enriching again because the superiors which I had in Bloggers Alliance and which everyone will have in Bloggers Alliance if they will join are very supportive and amazing. I must say that because they do not stop you from doing anything which is extra, which is an extra mile, or which is different from what they have always thought about. Rather, what they do is that they support you in whatever step or whatever things you want to chase in that particular project or your internship or your any tenure of period. Dr. Amit Nagpal has been an extremely amazing mentor to me since then, and he still guides me regularly on all career endeavors and all career paths which I am taking right now and which I am going to take in future. This is something which you take for yourself after the internship period or after whatever project you are doing in any organization ends. You take relationships with you, and here in Bloggers Alliance, the relationships which you take are just amazing. In my internship tenure at Bloggers Alliance, I was the interviewer. So the concept which I was working upon, and I had a team also which we were working upon, the concept was called Candid Talks. So basically, I had to interact with people from different backgrounds. For example, those who have delivered TED Talks, those who are entrepreneurs, authors, and artists, and winners of social media influencer awards, etc. And many other influencers and influential personalities. And I came across their inspiring stories and their inspiring journey and how they came through all the problems in their life, and still they have reached a point wherein they are admired by everyone. So this Candid Talk session actually helped me to think beyond what I was already thinking, and it also gave me immense amount of confidence in myself. Now I can go and talk to anyone without giving it a second thought, without keeping myself on a back seat like I can't talk. No, I have built that kind of confidence in myself, all because of Bloggers Alliance, because they gave me this project.
How was your experience?
The moment folks listed us, it was verification correct timing, and for sure it was the first recognitions that we got. It felt like somebody.
The kind of organization Bloggers Alliance is, I see a huge potential in it in future, because they are bringing together people from different backgrounds. This in all together makes the environment very rich, full of experiences, learnings and ideas. Hence new ideas come, and they are able to build new things out of it. And they're offering amazing courses of personal as well as professional development, which will make an individual a better version of oneself. This is in turn strengthening the future of the whole nation and the individual as well. At the end, I would say that if you are seeking something in which you want to use your own creativity, you want to learn new things, you want to do new things, you want immensely supportive mentors and superiors, you want a great team, you want an open environment, then I must say that you should join Bloggers Alliance.